Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be diving into Dreame's newest flagship, the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller Plus. This thing claims to be the ultimate all-in-one robot, a vacuum, a mop, as well as a self-cleaning station, all powered by some serious engineering. Today we're going to unbox it as well as set it up and even test it with some pom-poms, hair, as well as dirt and see if it can actually earn that Ultra name. Let's go ahead and get started. So this here is the packaging, this here's the box. Awfully big box, so make sure you do exercise caution when carrying it. Alright, so this is everything that you get. Obviously you get your base station, your robot vacuum, and this comes with some accessories. For instance, it comes with a multi-surface cleaning solution as well as a pet odor solution. Comes with a brush to go ahead and help clean. Then inside here you'll see our dust bag already pre-mounted, so it does come with an extra one, so you get two. And then over here is going to be our cartridge for both A and B, one being for pet odor and one being for the regular multi-surface cleaning. At the top there should be these lids. Just go ahead and open this up here. You'll see our standard Dreame ones. So we have two, the clean water and then the dirty water tank. So looking at our particular robot vacuum, definitely has a very sleek look. The reason why I say that is because this particular LiDAR is actually embedded inside. When it does turn on, it'll pop right out. Now, as we're looking at the front side here, you'll see the dual cameras, stereo vision as they like to call it, hence the two. It's got a push sensor as well. You got that twin spindle design to go ahead and catch the hair. And then it also has open-sided end. This will prevent hair from getting caught. It's got the roller mop pad. Now this one here will actually continuously spin, but there's actually no gap in between, so you never have to worry about missing a specific edge. Besides that, it does have drop sensors throughout. Now it also has this particular brush that does come out so you can reach the hard to reach corners, and more or less, that's about it. So with that said, let's go ahead and set this thing up next and try it out. Now this robot definitely looks premium, but the specs, well, they're next level. You get 30,000 Pascal suction. That's about 50% more power than the previous model. And the Fluff Roll Roller Mop constantly rinses itself with fresh water. And the Auto Seal Guard actually closes off the mop when it detects carpet, so your rug stays dry. Now it's packing a dual Hyperstream brush that is Dreame's claims are detangled proof. Now, obstacle avoidance is handled by Dreame's On-Site 2.0 system, a camera as well as a LiDAR combo that uses an on-device AI vision for cable as well as chair leg detection. Check out the side reach mop extension. It physically pushes the roller closer to the wall. And check this out, it can actually climb obstacles up to 8 centimeters. So transitions between rooms or different obstacles are almost seamless. So setup was super simple. Plug in the dock, power on the robot, scan the QR code that is actually under the hood using the Dreame Home app. Connect over 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and let it map your house in a matter of minutes. Now the mapping process itself is fast, and once it's done, you can set zones, add no-go areas, tweak how much suction or water each room gets. Alright, so time for the fun part. For our demo, we're dropping some mini pom-poms, strands of hair, and a mix of dirt as well as crumbs. That 30,000 PA suction really flexes. Everything about this feels more precise and deliberate than the past Dreame models. Inside the Dreame Home app, you've got tons of control. 4 suction levels and 5 if you're in vacuum only mode. 3 different water flow rates. You can even choose mop pressure per zone. or tell it to do multiple passes for dirtier areas. It lets you customize how often the dock self-cleans as well as air dries. You can also limit the charge level to 80, 90, or 100% to extend battery health. Cleaning history, firmware updates, and rooming schedule, and soon Matter support for smart home integration. Everything is clean, modern, and actually usable, not a cluttered mess. Alright, so onto the real world use. After using it for a few runs, the navigation is surprisingly smooth. No random bumps or awkward turns. It glides around cables, detects chair legs instantly, and thanks to that 8cm climbing height, it can move over different thresholds without any issues. For instance, this particular stand right over here. In terms of noise level, well, it was quite reasonable. And that dock does a full hot water roll wash and hot air dry cycle. Even on the shortest dry time, the mop comes out completely dry. No mildew smell, no residue. My carpet stayed bone dry. Thanks to that auto seal guard and maintenance, just empty the 3.2 liter dust bag once in a while. Pretty easy. Obviously, to keep it running like new, you want to remove and rinse the roller weekly, or swap or wash the filters monthly. And of course, replace the dust bag once it's full. The dock's mini tanks can be filled with the included Dreame's cleaning agent or pet odor solution based on your needs. Start a self-clean cycle right from the app and it'll heat the wash roller with 212 degrees Fahrenheit water. And it dries automatically. No hands, no dirty water. The dock handles it all. Alright, so on to the pros and cons. Well, it features a massive 30,000 PA suction. It's about 50% more than the previous model. Also, no hair tangles, which is definitely a plus in my book. Hot water wash plus hot air dry dock, carpet protection that actually works, and navigation and AI obstacle avoidance that are technically top tier in my opinion. With the deep app customization as well as future Matter support, it's pretty much flawless. Now in terms of the cons, well, obviously the price. It's not the cheapest robot vacuum out there. And the dock does take up a good amount of space. It's kind of bulky, especially with its design. Refilling water and cleaning agents does have to become a routine, as you do have to empty it periodically. And yeah, the settings can overwhelm some casual users, as there is a lot of detailed information that you can customize. So the verdict? Well, the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller Plus is technically a beast of my opinion. If you want one that's smartest and most powerful robot vacuums on the market, this is a great way to go. It does give you the full customization if you're into that sort of thing, and then of course gives you the full control over how you want each room cleaned, and of course being able to mop as well as vacuum is definitely great. Now it cleans hardwood floors flawlessly as well as keeps carpet dry and pretty much maintains itself. It's definitely expensive, but worth it if you want that robotic luxury. Now with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to comment down below and hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button twice, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care guys, bye bye.